Ki Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, Khadc College Babatam na banta ka Jingpuli Nursing but Paramedical Course Hospital Training Knyo Scholarship but 6% ka kam Haki Hospital Bahedo ha India but Shabari na banta ka Jingpuli ka Jingsiyo ka Baret but Pila Banlej Puli da ka Education Loan Pila Urban Chukol hau number Khandai Nyo Sao Sao San Rio Pranon Lani Khandai Pran Rio Laisan Tan Riway Khandai Pran
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit bha Penadkam daka Oswell su Hila banyo na barok kidukan
Kagunhon ki Nongmihkhmat naga jila Nagaland haga arpusau tarik ujeliu arajar arpulai kila lejingo yaka Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council bantip syapang ki Jingtreikam jongki Autonomous District Council ki bayada yaki riti ki dustur bat yaka khendau ka siap jongki riulom red pipe Kagunhon balaingut ki dekhot kala yoklat bania kren bat ki executive member ka council bat hadian gani uba tei borlang pathau ubalong u executive member ula yalam yakini ki laingut ban lejngo ya ka Jingtreikam jong ka council ka badon ya ka Jingtreikam jong ka executive ka legislative bat ka judiciary haga jingi kren bat kilat pathai khubor ka director jong ka Directorate of Underdeveloped Areas ka Sarkar Nagaland ka Dr. Anungla Imdong Pom kalaya tho kat bakidang rung shanong ba shalong kilayo ka signboard jong ka KHADC bat marmar kilarung hapok kani ka Jingtreikam bantip bnia ya ki Jingtreikam jong ka council.
This building is the entire is the building of legislative, so now we take it to the house. That is the MDC hospital. Yeah, MDC all this is hostel. Yeah, it means those who stay from outside this Shillong, like the hostel like quarter time. Okay. Come.
Oh, this is the library.
Introduce now. It's a library, district council library.
Oh. Okay. And you have the history of the
yes,
art.
Now we are getting some more so that anybody can come and study about it.
Oh.
Assembly, sir. So we debate everything here. Yes. Resolution, motion, question, answer, everything. And we have thrice a year.
And the government officials will
Our official will sit here. We have to pass if there is any information. This is opposition side, this is ruling side. So whenever a person asks us to answer, if you don't have, we have to seek from the officer here.
Three sessions, no?
3 sessions in a year. Budget, summer and winter.
My honorable MLA, who is the advisor of DUDA. DUDA is a state government department, and it stands for Department for Development of Underdeveloped Areas. And he's also the advisor of Geology and Mining, Nagaland government. I came with my executive engineer, and I am the additional director of the DUDA department. So while coming to entering Shillong, we saw this signboard and we found it very fascinating. So we thought we'll come and see the structure of this Khadc Hills Autonomous Council, because we came to know that this council is purely for protection of land, the indigenous people and their culture. That's why we are here. Because I, as a Naga, as a tribal myself, we should protect our heritage, and also we should protect our culture and tradition. And this is what exactly Khadc Autonomous Council is doing. And we are very happy to see that other states also like Ladakh and all, they come and research from here, learn from you. In fact, Khadc Hills Council is a role model. Receive the acts and rules. I mean, the executive members were kind enough to give us the books for reference, so which we are going to research, read, and whatever is good for our people, we will try to implement. We do not have, so the central government is mooting the idea of giving us autonomous council in a certain part of Nagaland. So that's why we're just researching.
So
See, we will have to see because it needs a threadbare discussion and debate from top to the grassroots level, leaving no one behind. We have to discuss and decide what is best for us.